babies. We're going out, so you guys have to stay in there for today. Hi, babies. I think we're in trouble, though. That's why I think we're in trouble. Oh, did you guys get scared because you heard somebody slipping on the floor downstairs? You didn't, though, did you, little Misty? Hi. Hi, Dovey. What, baby? Are you pathetic? Are you kind of pathetic? Hi, Dovey Dove. You gonna try and break out? I bet you are. Here comes Bumpy. What you had this afternoon? Hi, pathetic little Misty.